Hey, to connect CMF Buds with your Apple device, like for example iPhone or iPad, first of all you will have to input both earbuds inside the case, open this case, and now you will have to click and hold this button and take a look for this front indicator. When it starts blinking white, like in this case, it means that the earbuds are in the pairing mode. So we can easily go into the settings, then open Bluetooth settings and search for other devices, find CMF Buds, accept the pairing. Now we are successfully connected. And additionally, you can go into the App Store, click on the search, and you can get the application. So we have to actually go for the Nothing X. This is the application that we can download. And now when you open this application and simply go into the pair new device, we can find CMF Buds, we can click on them, and we will be connected. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.